In this video, you'll learn how to effectively use Notion for project management. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to create and manage your projects using Notion's powerful features. Begin by navigating to the Notion website. Open your preferred web browser and type in notion.so in the address bar, then press the enter key. This action will take you to the Notion homepage where you can explore its offerings. Once on the homepage, locate the drop-down menu typically found in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on this menu to reveal a list of options. This menu allows you to access various features and templates offered by Notion. Next, look for the option labeled Templates within the drop-down menu. Click on this option to view the available templates that Notion provides for different use cases, including project management. After the templates page loads, you will see a search bar at the top of the screen. In this search bar, type project management and press enter. This action will filter the templates to display only those related to project management. Once the search results appear, browse through the available templates. Click on any specific project management template that catches your interest. This will take you to a detailed view of that template, showcasing its features and layout. Now find the template titled Project Management Tasks and Projects Planning and click on it. This template is designed to help you effectively manage tasks and projects within Notion. After selecting the template, look for the button labeled Add and click on it. This action will initiate the process of adding the template to your workspace. You may need to wait a moment while the system processes your request. Next, click on the option that says Add to Private. This step ensures that the template will be added to your personal workspace for easy access. A loading indicator may appear briefly as the template is being added. Once the template has been successfully added, you should see a confirmation message stating template is being added. This confirmation indicates that the template is now being integrated into your workspace. After a short moment, another message will appear stating template is ready. This indicates that you can now start using the template for your project management needs. To begin working with the template, click on the button that says See Template. This will take you directly to your newly added project management template, allowing you to customize it. In your template, you will see various sections. Start by clicking on Not Started to view tasks that have not yet been initiated. This helps you identify tasks that require immediate attention. Next, navigate to the In Progress section by clicking on it. This area allows you to track tasks that are currently being worked on, providing a clear overview of ongoing projects. When tasks are completed, click on the Done section to mark them as finished. This helps in maintaining a clear record of completed tasks and progress within your project. For better organization, click on the highlight feature to emphasize important tasks or deadlines. This visual cue can help keep critical items top of mind. To view your tasks in a structured format, click on Table. This view allows you to see all your tasks organized in a tabular format, making it easier to manage and review. If you prefer a more visual approach, click on Kanban. This feature presents your tasks in a board format, allowing you to drag and drop tasks between different stages of completion. For a project-based view, click on By Project. This will categorize your tasks according to the respective projects, helping you manage multiple projects simultaneously. To focus on immediate tasks, click on Today. This option displays all tasks due today, ensuring that you stay on top of your daily responsibilities. Lastly, click on Timeline to visualize your project schedule. This feature allows you to view tasks along a timeline, helping you manage deadlines and project progress effectively. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.